Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about my hike to Sungai, Chiling. As the name goes, the water is chilled with plenty of fishes to find. The place is beautiful, clean and well managed by the fisheries department. It lies in the foothills of Fraser Hills, close to Kuala Kubu Baru. The species of fish this sanctuary is protecting is called Masheer, Ikan Kela in Malay. The surrounding forest is a gazetted permanent forest reserve. You must not do anything that may damage the fish sanctuary and its surroundings when you're there. Visitors need to trek along Chiling River and cross it 6 times to reach the waterfall. The path of the waterfall takes visitors through a lush forest with many flora and fauna to see. It is an easy trek, but you can expect fallen trees where you need to lift yourself over them.